Hello there. You've seen how Mage Data protects information directly in your databases with in-place masking. You've seen how it secures data as it moves with extract mask load. Now let's talk about the missing piece in data protection hiding in plain sight. Files. From exported reports and cloud storage backups to log files and spreadsheets, files are everywhere. And often, they're the weakest link in the data security chain. With Mage Data's static data masking for files, you extend the same intelligent, policy-driven protection to every document including PDFs, Excel workbooks, JSON exports, CSV, logs, etc. No matter where it lives. Mage Data UI guides the user through the anonymization process with a conversational UI. From selecting what data we want to anonymize, to select a file and the data classification policy applicable. With one click, the masking is executed, all without writing a single line of code. Why masking for files matters. Mage Data enables context-preserving anonymization using techniques such as AES encryption, pseudonymization, and redaction, all while preserving the original file structure and usability. Mage Data auto-discovers and protects sensitive data across a wide variety of file types, such as PDFs, Excel workbooks, JSON exports, and CSV logs, masking values like names, identifiers, and financial fields, etc. Mage Data extends unified policy control to files, leveraging the same centralized masking rules applied to databases and extract mask load processes, enabling consistent compliance and traceability across the enterprise. Mage Data ensures every masking action is logged with full traceability, providing audit-ready records and ongoing assurance that sensitive data in files is always under control. Before masking, spreadsheets, exports, and log files often contain exposed names, emails, and sensitive identifiers, leaving your organization at risk. After masking with Mage Data, those same files retain their original structure and usability, but all sensitive data is anonymized, making them clean, compliant, and ready for secure use, sharing, or analysis. Mage Data masks databases. Mage Data secures workflows. Now complete the picture and mask your files. Mage Data protects all your data, wherever it lives. Contact Mage Data for more information. Thank you.